Hello archers! This is our Geography Week 3 Nigeria Adire cloth, and we are doing a resist technique with washable glue. They use cassava root, and what they would do is they would use their resist technique and do their design on their fabric and then wait for it to dry and then dye over it. So we're gonna do a similar thing. What you're gonna need is washable glue, you need a light colored washable marker, and then your acrylic paint and your sponge brushes, and then your pencil pouch. And these are the things that we'll be designing. This is actually going to be a two-step project because it takes so long for this glue to dry. So the first thing that you'll be doing is you'll be getting your light colored markers, and your students will be able to design their pouch however they would like. And so just give them a moment, tell them about geometric designs. They liked using big circles and patterns and zigzags and dots, and they can even write their name on it. That's what I'll be doing today. And just give them a moment just to be creative and let them do that well. All right, so I went ahead and I drew my design on here. Once again, this is washable markers, a light color. We want it to be gone whenever we wash it out. Then I'm going to use, each student is going to have a bottle of glue, and they're just gonna take their time tracing over their designs. Now, of course, the younger children are going to have less complex designs, and the older ones can be as complex as they want. I'm gonna go ahead and go over this, and I'm gonna show you how thick this is on here so you can have a good example to go by. All right, so I went ahead and I traced my whole design with glue. It is on there pretty thick, but we'll have more than enough time for it to dry. And now we have the waiting game of having it dry. It will take at least overnight. So we will be doing one part of this project one day and another part another day. All right, so we, at this point, have done our glue. It's sat overnight, it's dried. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your sponge brush, and you're just gonna use regular acrylic paint, and you're going to just brush your colors all over. You're gonna cover all the glue that is dry. You're gonna cover the whole surface that you want painted and the back, and then you are gonna let that dry. It dries pretty quickly, so we should be able to do that the same class. And what's really magical is that when you take it to the sink to rinse it out, the white glue is going to resist all of that acrylic paint. And everywhere that you see white right now with the dots and the lines, I put the washable glue, washed it out after the acrylic paint was dry, and you have this really beautiful resist design. And that is our craft for week 3, the Adire cloth.